Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 9. Use the sign of is greater than, is less than or is equal to in the box to make the statements true. Right? First we'll solve question number A. A is given as minus 8 plus of minus 4. This is left hand side. Or you can write it here left hand side as is equal to minus 8 plus of minus 4. We are getting minus 8 plus into minus is minus 4, that is equal to minus 12. We'll find the value of right hand side. Right hand side, the value of right hand side is equal to minus 8 minus of minus 4. That is we are getting minus 8 minus into minus is plus 4 and we are getting minus 4. Now you see here the value of is minus 12, this is minus 4, but minus 12 is less than minus 4. Therefore, the sign will be less than, right? Here we are taking it as that minus 8 plus minus 4 is less than minus 8 minus of minus 4, right? Now we'll solve question number B. Now see, we're solving question number B. In question number B, you see here that left hand side is equal to minus 3 plus 7 minus, in bracket it is 19. Therefore, in left hand side we are getting minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Or you can write it as minus 3 minus 19, that is minus 22 plus 7. Or we are getting minus 15, right? And on the right hand side we are getting right hand side is 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9, right? That we are getting 15 minus 8 plus into minus is minus 9, or we are getting 15 minus this will be 15. We are using this one and writing once again, this is 15 minus 9, 8 is 17, that is equal to minus 2. Now here you see that minus 15 is less than minus 2. Therefore, it will be less than, right? Therefore, left hand side is less than right hand side. Here we are writing that left hand side is less than right hand side, right? Now we'll solve question number C, right? I'm writing it here. We'll solve question number C. Here you see question number C is question number C. First we'll take the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 23 minus 41 plus 11. If we add this one, 23 plus 11, that is 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3, 34 minus 41, that we are getting minus 7. Right hand side is this one, that is 23 minus 41 minus 11. This is, we are getting 23 minus 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 1 52. We are getting the value as minus, and 52 minus 23 that is 9, 29, that is minus 29. Now you see that minus 7 is greater than minus 29. right? Minus 7 is greater than minus 29. Therefore, left hand side is greater than the right hand side. Therefore, getting the value that left hand side is greater than the right hand side, right? We'll solve question number D. In question number D, you see here, solve question number D. In question number D, you will find left hand side is equal to 39 plus of minus 24 minus in bracket it is 15. Therefore, we are getting 39 plus into minus is minus 24 minus 15, or we are getting it as 39 minus 24 and 15 will be added. Therefore, plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, 39. 39 minus 39 is equal to 0. And if we take the right hand side, RHS, then we are getting the value as 36 plus in bracket minus 52 minus of minus 36. Then what we are getting? We are getting 36 plus into minus is minus 52 and minus into minus is plus 36. And if we add 36 plus 36, we are getting 36 plus 36, 72 minus 52. Then we are getting 2 to 0, 20. Now here you see that 0 is less than 20. Therefore, left hand side is less than right hand side. Therefore, we are writing here as that left hand side is less than right hand side. Right? To solve question number E. Now we are going to solve question number E. This is in C. In question number E, we are getting left hand side is equal to minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. If we add all this, that we are getting, let us write in a proper way. That is equal to minus 231 plus, if we add this one, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, it is 0, 5 1, 6, 6 and 7, 13, 130. Now, if you subtract this one, we are getting 231 minus 130. We are getting 1, 0, 1, 101 minus 101. And if we take the right hand side, then we are getting minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. Then we are getting minus 399 plus, we add this one, 159 and 81, you add it, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, it is 0, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, it is 4, 1 plus 1, 2, 240, 240. Now if we subtract this one from 399 minus 240, then we are getting 9. 9 minus 4 is 5, 2 minus 3 minus 2 is 1, 159, that is minus 159. Now minus 101 is greater than minus 159. Therefore, left hand side is greater than right hand side. Therefore, we can write that left hand side is greater than right hand side. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.